tell me I should go, 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 go. They say I have no home, home, no home. They tell me I should go, 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 go. They say I am a psycho, psycho. How's it going, everybody? I'm going to teach you how to play Psycho by BoyWithUke, and it's another pretty simple one. All his songs are pretty simple and easy to play. The only thing that's hard is getting used to strumming and singing at the same time, but that just takes practice in general. But we're going to start out with the chords, and then we will go to the strumming patterns. So let's get to it. I put the camera a little closer so you guys can see, but the first chord is a G minor, which sounds like that. And how you play it is the first finger on the last string, first fret, the second finger on the second string, second fret, and your ring finger on the third string, third fret. It sounds like this. Then the next chord is C, which if you've been playing ukulele, you should know, is just one finger on the last string, third fret. Sounds like this. And then after that, it goes to an F, which is your first finger on the third string, first fret, your second finger on the first string, second fret. And it sounds like this. And then the next chord is an A, which is just this top string. You just lift the one off of the bottom, and that's the A. And then it goes to D minor, which is the F again, except that string in the middle, this one right here, you put your ring finger on it. So it's your first finger on the third string, first fret, your second finger on the first string, second fret, and then your third finger goes on the second string, second fret, right under your first finger. Sounds like that. So in all, it's G minor, C, F, A, D minor. And of course, you have the chords up here, just in case my explanation sounds a little confusing, the little charts right here. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I changed my uke. I customized it and I drew this random stuff on it, but I thought it looked cool and I left the wood on the back. But I just want to interrupt the video a little bit just to let you guys know that if you subscribe, like, and comment on these videos, it really helps me and it'll give me more time to be able to do these. And you guys can comment any songs, not just BoyWithUke, if you want any more tutorials, super simplified. I try to make them the way that I would understand it. So hopefully they help you guys understand it. But yeah, let's go learn this song. Okay, now on to the strumming pattern. This song has two. You could play the whole song with one, or even switch it up depending on how it sounds to you, but I found these to be the easiest way. So for the verses, like when he starts a song, and he's like, Toby tells me lies when I'm sleep deprived. Toby says I'm the worst of my kind. That one is just up, down, up, up, down, up. And you do that twice for each chord, except for the F and the A. You split those in half. So it'll be G minor, up, down, up, down, up, C, up, down, up, then F minor, or F, up, down, up, A, up, down, up, D minor, up, down, up. So those ones you just do it once on both, and then D minor is back to 2 again. And you do that twice through both of those chords, but on the last one, on the second time you go through, you just go down on D minor. You don't play that twice. You only play it twice the first time. So it'll sound like this once you got the hang of it, and this is just for the verse. And I just play that with this finger because it's easier for me to go up and down with just my finger. But you could pretend to hold a pick, or you can use this finger, or you can use your thumb. It's whatever you prefer to strum with. But those are the verses. And then for the chorus, I go to what I usually go to, which is the down, down, up, down, up, because it just flows better to me, I think. Because it's just down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So kind of like how we only played up, down, up once on the F and the A, you're playing pretty much half of the strumming pattern for the F and the A instead of the whole thing. So G minor would be down, down, up, down, up. C is down, down, up, down, up. And then F is just down, down, up, A, down, down, up. And then D minor, down, down, up, down, up. And that's the chorus. When it's, they tell me I should go, 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 go. They say I have no home, no home. They tell me I should go, 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 go. They say I am a psycho, psycho. And notice how on the first D minor, you stop and sing through, and the second one, you play the rest of it. It's just little small things like that that he does in the song that you can obviously figure out easily by listening to it and playing along to it, and then you'll get it down exactly how he plays it. Wow. Toby tells me lies when I'm sleep deprived. Toby says I'm the worst of my kind. The voice that trails behind leaves me petrified, thinking I won't live to see 25. They tell me I should go, 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 go. They say I have no home, no home. They tell me I should go, 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 go. They say I am a psycho, psycho. And that's how you play Psycho by BoyWithUke.